Republic Day speech. Good morning, everyone. Respected principal, teachers, parents, and all my dear friends. My name is Janvi. Today is 26th January. We are celebrating Republic Day. I wish you all a very happy Republic Day. Republic Day is a national festival of India. On this day, in 1950, our Constitution came into force. The Constitution of India is the supreme law of India. It is the largest written constitution in the whole world. Dr. Baba Sahib Ambedkar is the father of our constitution. Today we have a great republic. Republic means whose leader is president, not a king or queen. This would not have been possible if our freedom fighters had not made numerous sacrifices for the independence of the country. I am proud to be an Indian and I love my country very much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you.